In this video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to add video to your MailerLite email. Hi, I'm Matt, a team member here at Video Email. Video Email is designed to be used by marketers with no coding skills required. If you can copy and paste, you are all set to add video to your MailerLite emails. Here's a video email playing in a Gmail account. In this video, I'll run you through how you can create a video email, just like this example. Okay, so let's create a video email. Step 1 is to create a new regular email campaign in MailerLite using the drag and drop editor. Once we have selected our template, we select Special in the left-hand menu, scrolling to the bottom of the options to find the code block. We drag this code block into position within the template where we wish our video to be featured. We are now ready to move on to creating our video content. The Viewed Video Email platform is where we'll create the content for our video email. Viewed offers a free trial account. This provides the opportunity to take the platform for a test drive with no commitment. Once signed into Viewed, we select New Video and then Upload Video. Next, we add a name for our video. We now upload our video from our computer by either dragging it into the platform or selecting a file from our folders. We now enter the width of our video. This is 600. Next, we select Upload Video. Our video will now be uploaded to Viewed. This will take up to a couple of minutes depending on the size of the video file. We have now successfully uploaded our video. Next, we choose how we are going to use the video. We select the option to send with other emailing software. Viewed now creates a snippet of HTML. We scroll to the foot of the page where we select Copy Code. It is this code which we are going to use to add our video content to our MailerLite template. We return to our MailerLite campaign where we paste the HTML snippet into the custom HTML code pane and select Save. Our video is now in position within our template. Next, we proceed to preview and test our video email by selecting Preview, viewing our video email playing on desktop and mobile. We now proceed to complete our campaign setup, ready for testing and sending. Thanks for watching. For more details on the free unlimited trial of the Viewed Video Email platform, scan the QR code or use the link shown here.